So today we have with us Kunal. Kunal is volunteering with us. He's a very passionate nature lover. So he came few days back and he wanted to volunteer with us. So today when he came to the food forest, he brought this beautiful coconut sapling, which they're growing at home. So from their home only they got it, right? So you want to gift it to the food forest?
Yes, I think forest. Forest is important and should belong as well.
Okay. So today in this video we are going to show you how we plant uh, Kunal's coconut, and also I'll tell you about how to plant coconut in our garden. So now how we plant this. So before this we have to dig a pit, and for planting a coconut the pit should be, what we do is we generally take around 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet length and breadth, and we will dig around 1.5 feet of soil here. In some places where soil is very compact, you need to dig more. You can dig up to 3 feet by 3 feet pit also. We are going to show you how we do this. So first work for us is to dig this pit. So we have taken this 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet for this beautiful sapling which Kunal has given us. So I'll start digging it. We have to break the lumps here. So we will break the lump and try to make it into more powdered kind of soil. Now this pit is around 1.5 feet. So now first thing is you have to loosen the soil below as much as you can. So loosening the soil below, and then I'm going to show you what we place here. Breaking these lumps are also important, as I told you, but here it is very sticky because already we are getting water coming because it's very near to the pond, and coconut grows in a very good sunlight area, and if it is on the side of your pond it grows better, but sunlight is something very important. Many people give salt when they make this peat and they plant coconut, but we don't give salt. I'm going to show you how we do this. So what we'll do now, before planting we will make a mixture to put in the peat where we will make plant the coconut. So I told you this is wood ash and compost mix which we have taken, and now I'll take some dry cow manure. It's like dry cow dung. So mix it. So if I am taking, suppose 3 kgs of compost, I take around 1.5 kg of dry cow dung manure. Mix it, and 3 kg of compost we have put 100 grams of wood ash, and now I'm going to put around 250 grams of this bamboo biochar granules, and then mix it. Then these are straw, paddy straw, which we will also mix here. We'll put some paddy straw here. We'll mix. So I'll take a handful of this mixture, and first in this pit which we have loosened, we'll put one layer like this, and then I start again putting the soil back. So this much again we will spread it, break the clogs. Here some grasses are there, so I'll remove the grasses. Now my task again is to bring this mixture again one this much, and in the again mid layer I am sprinkling it. this whole biochar and mix. And then I put this soil on the top again. Now I give this another layer of this. And now see, this height of the plant is this much. It's around 1 feet. But if it is also good if it is more bigger. So if it was bigger, so in the second layer which I put this mixture, I would have placed this. But as because this is small, 1 feet, now after giving 2 layers of this, I will put the sapling here. Okay. And now we will top up soil. Now why we do this is because of the peat and making the soil like this, the aeration will be nice for the plants to come up. Okay. So now what we do is, we give the remaining mixture, which you keep somewhat more for the top layer. So now near the plant, we will give this whole mixture like this. Don't stamp or don't pat it too much. Just keep it lightly. Put your positive energy. We are putting life to the ground and also made a bed for the plant to grow and survive. Now what I do is, we take some paddy straw and then mulch it. So this is a permanent place for the plant and it will grow here. That's because the pond is nearby and we have done mulching and loosened the soil. We put some biochar there. So here we are growing a food forest, so every time coming and applying water is not possible, so it will be more rain fed. Revitalizing rain fed agriculture is important, but there soil preparation, how you plant, is more important, how your plants survive in any kind of extreme condition. So now this is our plant. Kunal gave us this, and now Kunal will grow with us in the food forest near the pond. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make your home more beautiful with creating it into a homestead food forest.